शॉर्टकट ले लेते हैं। Oh damn, this is crazy. नवरात्रों का सेकंड डे।
जय भोलेनाथ। कहते हैं यहाँ से माउंट कैलाश दिखता है।
Oh my god, the views. A little change of plans again. हम फोटिला जा रहे हैं because it's just 28 kilometers from here. So let's go and see that as well.
खारिश का कोई इलाज नहीं है दोस्तों।
खाज और बाज का इलाज नहीं होता। ये लद्दाख आए और ये नहीं किया तो फिर हमें मजा नहीं आता।
जो बात करें तो कि 4x4 से इंटरेस्ट वसूली वापस भी होती है, वो यही है कि आप रास्ते काटें, थोड़ा ऑफ रोड एंजॉय करें।
रोड इज अप देयर।
काफी टाइम लेने वाली है,
हमने सोचा शॉर्टकट ले लेते हैं। Oh damn, this is crazy.
Hang on, buddy.
Okay. Hanging on. Oh my. This is, are you sure?
I am.
Jai Bajrang.
Sure.
Yeah. Another one.
Another one.
This is fun.
This is fun.
बहुत रोड कटता है, वो पीछे से घूम के आ रहा है रोड।
बिल्कुल। काफी कट रहा है।
Yeah. So, इन dirt tracks का मज़ा तो बहुत है और ये टाइम भी बहुत बचाते हैं, but sometimes the reverse may also be true. After having taken these over the last 4-5 years, if there's one thing we have learned is that not all the tracks go up or come down. जब भी किसी dirt track को लें, एक initial estimation कर लीजिए about the far end. कभी कभी इनके exits बहुत treacherous होते हैं. This is true more so when driving downhill because the gravity adds to the downforce. There was this one time on the Gata loops when we almost had it. कभी कभी connecting road और dirt track के बीच बहुत गंदा ditch होता है because that track may still be work in progress and कभी कभी road connecting point इतना steep होता है कि उतराई में बहुत धीरे धीरे negotiate करना पड़ता है। ऐसे times पर it makes more sense to turn around than to be heroic because there's barely any help around. You've got nothing to prove. If you're a larger group though, you may push it a bit. Also, on high altitude passes, even the more powerful terrain vehicles struggle a little because engines do not get sufficient oxygen to combust fuel and generate optimum power. But हमारा आपको discourage करने का कोई idea नहीं है. If you do things responsibly with a clear mind and respect the terrain, all should be okay. Look at the view from top.
I know.
It's not even the top.
Still
right
not
now.
the top. Highest motorable pass.
And we are here.
At Fortila, जय भोलेनाथ। कहते हैं यहाँ से माउंट कैलाश दिखता है।
Yeah.
अभी ढूंढ कर दिखाते हैं। Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. जय भोले।
As you can see, in fact बहुत पास करे हमने। ये पहला है जहाँ पे ओम का फ्लैग हमें मिला है। I'm sure और भी होंगे।
But ये
पर भी है।
हाँ, but या इतना clearly स्वास्तिक लगा है, ओम लगा है, for a reason I guess.
For a reason, folks, there is something. और of course, ला के ज़्यादा पास गाड़ी नहीं ले जाते, so we're stopping here.
Yeah.
Disrespectful.
Yeah.
So जय भोले शंकर, let's find it out.
Yes. नवरात्रों का second day and we are here. And आइए आपको कैलाश दिखाते हैं। There's something about Fortila that makes it very unique. The only other pass to share the same amazing feature is Lipulekh Pass in Uttarakhand. From both these passes, you can get a view of Mount Kailash in the horizon. We consider ourselves very lucky because 7 out of 10 times the horizon is clouded and one misses out on seeing the humbling abode of Lord Shiva. We were so lucky to get an 11-minute view, after which it was shrouded by thick clouds again. If you check Google Earth, you will find it to the southeast of Fortila as Kangri Bog Peak. However, there are many people who are skeptical about this. They don't believe the view is possible. To be sure, we looked up many YouTube videos, checked with the locals and the BRO staff and found them agreeing to the fact. Ab hai ya nahi, we leave it to you, but we cannot put in words the joy we felt laying our eyes on the unique pyramidical home of the Great One.
ये देखिए, ये अनफॉरगेटेबल व्यू आता है फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ फोटिला एंड बिलीव इट और नॉट, यहाँ से लेफ्ट में माउंट कैलाश भी दिखते हैं जो हमने कैप्चर करे हैं. एंड वी वर सो लकी कि आफ्टर कैप्चरिंग, I think I would say a minute after capturing, the holy mountain disappeared into clouds. So lucky. This, everybody, is Fotila.
So we are going down from Fotila, and we had the most incredible day today.
Yes.
Because एक तो Monday, ऊपर से Navratri, and we got to see Mount Kailash, and I don't know, we both are just speechless. We feel so lucky.
Yes.
Yeah.
Naked eye से Mount Kailash देख लिया, अब बोलने को राई क्या?
Incredible experience that we'll never ever forget. And अब वो, you know, strange thing is, हमने दर्शन किए एंड ऊपर मंदिर था, हम वहाँ भी गए एंड ट्राइपॉड लगाया, थोड़ी सी वीडियोस ली, पिक्चर्स ली, एंड अब दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं. लाइक वी आर लाइक एक लास्ट ग्लिम्प्स, बट वी जस्ट कांट स्पॉट इट नाउ. या बिकॉज आई गेस इट मस्ट बी स्नोइंग देयर. या बट वी जस्ट कांट स्पॉट इट नाउ. एंड अगेन वी फील सो लकी. वो 10 मिनट में वो जो दर्शन हुए हैं, oh my God, incredible.
So we hope it's just as lucky a day for you as well.
Yeah. And now we'll go back and we'll see कि कुछ खाने को मिल जाए, क्योंकि रोज ना हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हो रहा है ना हमारा लंच हो रहा है, हम सीधा डिनर करते हैं.
आज तो भूख प्यास भूल
गए, कुछ लग ही नहीं रहा था कि भूख प्यास क्या. It's like that half an hour up there at Fotila. Divine, exactly. Let's hope now we get something to eat.
Jai Bhole and Jai Mata ki.
Yeah. Look at that. I mean, Baralacha हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता था because of the loops. But अब इतने loops देख लिए हैं.
यारे. Gata loops and all our history now.
Yeah.
Fotila आइए, the passes are just. They'll steal your heart away.
Yep.
They're not the passes, the loops, I'm sorry.
Loops.
Yeah.
Oh my God. The views.
Yeah.
These loops. Oh.
A loop.
That's Hanle Monastery over there. Wow. That's Hanle. And that's the observatory.
You come there. इस कैफे का
ये पूरा पार्ट हमने रात को देखा था, सो टेक्निकली मिस कर दिया था कि लेफ्ट राइट है क्या. सो दिस इज टू माय लेफ्ट एंड दैट्स टू माय राइट, एंड द रोड इज अगेन very, very good. This is Rongo.
Milestone पे आपको Rango मिलेगा,
हाँ,
Rongo मिलेगा.
Rongo मिलेगा.
So I don't know which one is actually the Raito and which is the Rongo.
Yeah. But it's a very pretty place.
It's very pretty. It's like a painted village.
Wow. Beautiful. Trying to capture these wild horses. I hope they don't hit me. Beautiful, and the landscape is also beautiful, as always, like always. I mean, wow. We are on our way to Neoma from Loma. That's right.
And